Alright, I kind of just want to cut to the chase with all of this because I don't want to stretch this video out to 10 minutes and all that crap because a lot of people like to do that. So a lot of you may have noticed that I haven't uploaded a video in 10 days, which is a really long time for me. I don't like to go that long without uploading, but while that 10-day time span was going on, I had family over, and while the family was over, I was super busy, plus my final PC parts finally came in, so I was able to put the PC together and all that while they were here. Over the past couple days, I've had so many issues trying to record with it, and I had to just simply work out all the kinks with that, which took a really long time. But I was finally able to get them all sorted out and all that stuff, which is nice. So the whole point of this video pretty much is this is basically a 2020 channel update in my opinion. So if you guys have been seeing my streams that I've been doing recently, like that you guys can kind of see on the screen here, like this one mainly, I don't know, that's just an example. I've had a donation goal on the screen at the bottom, which was towards the new computer. You guys did not need to donate at all, but a lot of people actually did, which I'm extremely grateful for because the computer is now built. With the computer built now, I can record and stream way better things now. For example, like, okay, with my old computer, I wasn't even able to like have OBS open like this, for example. This is how you stream games.
Something wrong with
I was
the
only
line?
able to have this open and maybe a single Google Chrome tab. If I had anything else open, it would simply just lag, it would crash, and it just would not be happy with me. But now with this new PC, I can stream Minecraft, Fortnite, GTA for example, with no issues whatsoever, with high quality. So this next bit is something that I've been planning to do for a while because it needs to happen. Because I can't just, my channel is very like unorganized in my opinion, which I do not like. I don't like the whole, oh, like you'll have a few videos and then you'll have a stream randomly. I don't like streaming on YouTube anymore. So if you guys want to watch streams, I don't have a specific stream schedule, but I will be uploading stream highlights from now on pretty much. I don't know when exactly, but all of my live streams from now on will be on Twitch. So if you aren't following me on Twitch, there will be a link in the description to go follow me there. Some of you might not have an account set up, which is completely okay. I mean, it's just like a YouTube account. It doesn't take that long. So I went through and did a lot of testing and all that stuff, and I did like a couple hour like live stream last night just testing stuff and all that. And there's actually this thing called the Chaos mod on GTA that I'm like super excited to get into because I want to record like a series on this. I think it would be super funny because it's just a mod basically where every 30 seconds you can see this orange bar at the top where like every 30 seconds something completely random will happen to you in game. That really isn't the only thing though that I want to be able to do. I mean, there's a bunch of other stuff such as like the test stream that I did the other day, whereas this stream right here, the test stream, it got blocked worldwide so people can't view it right now, but I streamed, I believe, yeah, I got on Minecraft for a bit because I was just testing stuff out, and I can completely crank up like shaders and all that. If you don't know what shaders are, where the hell have you been? I got on GTA 5M with Feed, Feed, Sonics, and Justin, which was really cool. There's a lot more you can do with 5M. There's like servers and stuff like roleplay. I don't know if I'll get into that exactly, we'll have to see, but there's just a bunch of stuff you can do, which is a lot of fun. The whole streaming thing is going to be a lot of fun. Currently with my PC, I don't have enough USB ports actually to like have a face cam and everything because I need to have a controller plugged in because I am not going to take the time to play like GTA on mouse and keyboard. I think it's so stupid. So within a couple days I will have a USB hub to be able to like use my face cam and everything. So maybe 1 or 2 streams won't have face cam, but that's completely fine. Also, if you guys just want to be alerted if like sometimes YouTube or Twitch don't go and send out notifications, or if you guys just want to chill and hang out, for example, like you can go into one of the voice channels, we have a thing called Rhythm, the Rhythm bot right here, where you can just chill and play music and everything and just hang out and talk to each other. The link to my Discord server will also be in the description. Also, any other socials such as like Twitter, because I will post like funny highlights and crap. I mean, like, I personally love Twitter. I think it's way better than Instagram. I don't know, I just love Twitter. Me and my friends are always on Twitter, so if you guys want to just see some stuff behind the scenes, be sure to go follow me there as well. So this whole update video thing is pretty much just telling me like, oh hey, I kind of don't have any videos to edit right now because all of the footage and everything kind of got screwed up when my PC was being all buggy and all that. So this is kind of just giving me an excuse to be like, oh hey, here's a video pretty much. But I don't know, it's filler. It's like a fill video because I want to keep you guys updated on stuff, which is normal. I feel like a lot of people should do that, but pretty much I mean, it's important. I feel like if I would have said something at the beginning of a video instead of just making a whole separate video on it, people wouldn't really see it or really care as much. So I highly encourage the people that watch this video, if you do care about what I do, please go follow me on Twitch and follow me on Twitter, and be sure to join the Discord server. And if you're also new and this is the first video you're watching, be sure to subscribe for more and all that stuff as well. That'd be nice, and like the video, as all the cool YouTubers say, I guess. Whatever, I don't know, it's just a short update video. Wanted to keep you guys posted, and I'm hoping I'm not forgetting anything. So with that all out of the way, I will talk to you guys later.